Hello, Globetrotters! Here's a piece of news that's bound to make your travel life easier, especially if you're transiting through Istanbul or planning a visit to Turkey. Turkey has rolled out a new airport transit visa effective from April 15, 2024. This is particularly important for passport holders from countries like India, Nepal, Afghanistan, Burkina Faso, Cameroon, Chad, Guinea, Mauritania, Somalia, and Yemen, who are traveling to certain Latin American countries via Istanbul. So, how do you get your hands on this e-ATV? Stick around to find out. Before we dive into the application process, let's review the documents you'll need for your free transit visa application. The first vital piece of paper is your passport. It's crucial to have the details ready, including your name, surname, date of birth, place of birth, passport number, and expiration date. Second, you'll need to provide your email address, phone number, and the names of your parents. Now let's move on to your travel itinerary. You should have a copy of your ticket, which includes all flight details like the flight number and the ticket or PNR number. And last but not least, you'll need to show proof of your onward travel. This can be in the form of hotel bookings for your final destination. With these documents at hand, you're now ready to start the application process. Remember, preparation is key to a smooth and stress-free journey. Let's get you ready for that exciting transit through Istanbul. Now that you're equipped with all the necessary documents, let's navigate the application process together. It's as simple as pie, so let's dive right in. First off, fire up your browser and head over to evisa.gov.tr. On the homepage, you'll see a big blue button that says Apply Now. Give that a click. A new page will open up. Here, you'll select Airport Transit Visa from the Visa Type drop-down menu. Choose your country of residence, select Ordinary Passport as your travel document and enter your destination country. Hit Save and Continue to proceed. Next, you'll need to select your arrival date in Turkey. Scroll down a bit and you'll notice the number of entries and visa fee sections, but guess what? You won't have to pay a dime. So go ahead and click Save and Continue. In the next step, you'll see a list of terms and conditions. Make sure to read them carefully, then tick all the boxes to confirm your agreement. Don't forget to hit Save and Continue. Now comes the part where you'll need to fill in your travel and personal details. Enter your flight number and ticket number, which you can find on your ticket itinerary. Next, key in your email address, phone number, and the address of the hotel where you'll be staying at your final destination. Once you're done, click on I have read and accept the provisions of the Turkey Entry Commitment and Information Form. A new page will open with the conditions for issuing the electronic visa. Feel free to read through, then scroll down and click Save and Continue. The final step is to submit your application. Remember, this process is entirely free, and voila, you've just submitted your application for a free Turkey airport transit visa. It's that easy. A smooth transit through Istanbul is just a few clicks away, and remember, always apply well in advance to avoid any last-minute hiccups. Happy travels. Once you've hit that submit button, here's what you need to do next. You should receive a confirmation of your application swiftly. Don't forget to print out your e-ATV. It's your golden ticket for a smooth transit through Istanbul. And a quick tip, apply for your free Turkey airport transit visa well ahead of your travel date to sidestep any last-minute hiccups. Thanks for joining us for this guide. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and updates. Safe travels and see you in the next video.